Hello YouTube, it's me Noel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to ship your old iPhone through AT&T's trade-in program. As I bought my brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max from the official AT&T online store, and yes, I am using it right now to record the video, what you get is your brand new device minus the Desert Titanium. You get the order configuration paper, which I'm not going to show that on video, along with the return shipping label due to the home address. So let's go ahead and put the box to the side. First we have is the congratulations on your new device. If you want to read it, pause it for yourself. Here's in Spanish too. Here's the plastic film. This is where you're going to put your old phone in. And last but not least is the pamphlet guide for the thanks for choosing the AT&T trade-in program. If you want to read this in Spanish, pause it and read it for yourself. I'm not going to read it because I don't speak Spanish. Done reading? Let's read it in English. It says, send your old device within 30 days of activating the new one. Let's read the important. The first thing you need to do is transfer your personal information from your old iPhone to the new iPhone, which in this case, mine is the 13 Pro Max. And as you can see, we're in the setup screen because it's already factory resetted after transferring my data from my old phone to the new phone, which I don't have to worry about. The second thing you need to do is deactivate Find My iPhone. Where to do that? On your new device, go to settings, go to your Apple account. If you see your old iPhone, like let's say your 13 Pro Max, click on it, go to the red message, it says remove device, click on it, follow all the instructions, and once you complete reading the instructions to remove your old iPhone through the Apple account, then you're good to go. Otherwise, if access locks are not turned off, it will result losing your trade-in value, so please be careful of it. And finally, last but not least, is reset your old device, which I have already done it. Like I said, we're in the setup screen, but to turn it off, press the power button and the volume up. Slide to power off. Once you're done reading the instructions, regardless if it's from here or through the AT&T trade-in program pamphlet guide, which I'm not going to read all of the instructions because everything should be the same. To place your old device under the plastic film, by the way, here's the packing instruction. Pause it if you want to read it. What you're supposed to do is put your old iPhone under the plastic film, which I do not really like. There you go. Again, make sure your old device is turned off and you're all set. Perfect. Now go ahead, grab a box and place your old phone and close the box. When you're done, put the return shipping label on the top. Again, I'm not going to really show it because of my home address, but if I do see it, then I will censor it. So there you go. That's the instructions of how to ship your old iPhone through AT&T's trade-in program. If this helps, leave a like, subscribe, and then I'll see y'all next time.